back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
In the Uniontown Leadfoot, it's the number 27, Michael Lake. And the 27R. He's a limited late model tonight, double dipping over into the ULMS super late models. It's Caden Rank out of Thompsontown, PA. Dave Stam out of Millmont, the 10S will follow. Hey, buddy, you know, last time you're here, you sat here at the end of the night. We talked about that before. You got the monkey off your back. Well, you set the fast time. It's not a better way to get the night going, Mason.
Thank you. I appreciate it. We've been really fast here qualifying, seems like every time we've been here, but I've only been able to pick one of the three since we've been here. So, you know, I'm looking forward to tonight. It's always a sweet little racetrack, and I like the cushion it's got going right now. And, no, I think it's going to be an awesome little racetrack for us tonight.
Yeah, definitely. Good car count in here tonight. Enough cars on the racetrack. There's a lot of racing to be had. A lot of good fans out here tonight, Mason. I bet some of the best damn fans there are in Pennsylvania are right here in Path Valley to watch a good race tonight.
Yeah, heck anymore. It seems like I'm a local in these areas from Port Royal to home. So I appreciate you guys coming out. It's hot as heck, and finally the sun's down and we can get some racing going.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your fast timer tonight, Mason Ziegler.